Hey everyone, welcome back to Madras Academy. In today's quick and fun tutorial, we're going to show you how to make a super simple but essential Arduino project, the blinking LED. Whether you're using an Arduino Uno or Mega, this one's perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need if you're building this in real life. Arduino Uno or Mega, one LED, any color, 220 ohm resistor, breadboard, jumper wires, USB cable. Don't have a board? No worries. We'll simulate this online using Tinkercad too. First, let's set up the circuit. Connect the longer leg of the LED, that's the positive side, to pin 9 of the Arduino through a 220 ohm resistor. Connect the shorter leg, the negative, to any GND pin on the Arduino. Here you go. See it yourselves. And that's it. Wiring is complete. First, let's go to Google and search for Tinkercad. Just type it into the search bar, hit enter, and you'll find tons of resources to get started. Once you open Tinkercad, log in or sign up. Then, click Create New Circuit. Now let's build the same circuit virtually. Drag and drop an Arduino UNO into the workspace. Add a breadboard. Add an LED and a 220 ohm resistor. Connect pin 9 of the Arduino Uno to one side of the resistor. The other side of the resistor connects to the longer leg, positive, of the LED. Connect the shorter leg, negative, of the LED to GND. And that's our circuit, exactly like the physical one. Now, click on Code at the top right and select Blocks. Let's program the LED using simple blocks. First, use a forever loop so the LED keeps blinking. Then, inside the loop, add a block to set pin 9 to high, to turn on the LED. Add a wait block for 1 second. Then, add a block to set pin 9 to low, to turn off the LED. Add another wait block for 1 second. And that's it. Our block coding is done. When we start the simulation, the LED will blink on and off every second. Tinkercad also lets you see the actual text code behind these blocks. Click on Blocks plus Text to view it. Now, simply copy this code from Tinkercad. If you don't already have it, install the Arduino IDE from Arduino's official website. Open Arduino IDE, paste the code into a new sketch. Select Tools, Board, Arduino UNO, choose the correct COM port, and upload the code to your Arduino UNO or MEGA board. Or there is a drop-down near the Upload button, which is the arrow button. Click the drop-down and select the board name, which is in bold. And now click the Upload button. And once uploaded, your LED will start blinking on and off, just like in the simulation. Here is the result. And that's how you build, simulate, and upload your first Arduino Mega LED Blink project. Thanks for watching with Madras Academy. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you next time. Bye.